Hi everyone, my name is Amy, and in this video, I'll show you how to add the Poppers Photo Gallery widget to your GoDaddy website. A photo gallery widget is a great way to showcase images in a clean and visually appealing layout, making your website more engaging for visitors. So let's get started. First, go to your Poppers dashboard. Once you're there, click on Widgets from the left sidebar, and then click Create New Widget. Now search for Photo Gallery in the widget library and open it. After that, choose a layout according to your preference. Once the widget editor opens, you'll see the preview on the right side and the settings on the left side. In the Photos tab, click Upload to add images. For each image, you can add a title, description, and category. Next, go to the Templates tab. Here, you can choose different templates, and the available settings will change depending on the template you select. The Photo Info option controls the information shown when users hover over the image. It can also be displayed below the image. Then go to the Settings tab. In the Watermark section, you can add a watermark. If you choose text, you can enter custom text, and if you choose image, you can upload your own image. In the Click on Action section, you can choose what happens when someone clicks an image, such as opening a pop-up, opening a link, or doing nothing. Next, go to the Styles tab. In the Colors section, you can change the background color, heading color, description color, overlay color, accent color, and filter background. In Dimensions and Effects, you can change the corner radius, drop shadow, hover effect, and font family. Once you're happy with the customization, click Publish Widget. After that, the installation code will appear. Copy the code and go to your GoDaddy site editor. Now add a embed HTML from sections, paste your installation code inside it, and publish your website. Once your website is live, refresh the page and your widget will appear successfully. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.